please like and subscribe.
Hi guys, today we're gonna play Animal Hospital. You guys requested it, so I deliver it. But don't judge if I'm doing it back because this is my first time to play this game. The boy kind of left me, so I'm gonna do it by myself. Don't really know what to do. Take a picture, okay. My sister said that if they look strange, close the door. Guys, we're just printing the paper out. Let's give it to her. Okay, think I will. I don't know how to read, guys, to be honest. Okay, let's go follow her. She's hella slow, to be honest. Alright, we finally made it. She was taking forever. Okay, I think I pressed it. Don't really know what to do, guys. Okay, it's printing. It's taking forever, to be honest with you. Okay. Wait, what do I have to get her? Oh, those, okay. Is that mint? And is that lip gloss? I don't really know. Okay, let's get this. Let's just copy the picture. Okay, I'm gonna give it to her. Okay. Next one is the lip gloss. Okay. Okay, I'm doing good. Let's just give it to her. Okay, I think she's feeling good. I think I did good with her. Guys, what do I do now? Don't really know. Let's go to the office. Let's go back. Is there anybody else here? I don't know what the hell this man is. But yeah, what's he saying? I don't know what it says, to be honest. I can't read. Limited time each shift. What does that mean? Okay, I think they opened something up. I don't know what the hell is that, but yeah. Oh, I think I'm gonna get paid today. I'm getting that money, not that funny up. Okay, but yeah, I'm getting paid. I'm getting paid good. I got 75. Yes, baby. I need that money for sure. Okay, there's another person. Low-key, he looks weird, to be honest. Okay, hi, how's your day? Okay, let's press this. Can I take a picture of you? Let's print it out. Let's print this thing out. Okay, there you go. Suspicious, to be honest. What is this timer? Don't know what I'm doing, guys. What does this mean? What does the timer mean? Is someone dying? Kinda scared to get out. What did I do? Guys, what did I do? Don't see no one. Is someone dying in there? Where are they? Cause I never played this game before, so if I like doing something wrong, just don't judge. Oh, it's right there. He faded. Oh, I didn't know that. So let's just put him away. Let's go help this person out. Oh, we'll put him in the trash can.
Say goodbye.
I'm dead. Okay, anyways, no one's gonna know that I threw him in the trash can. Okay, let me put this back up. Who is this person? Okay, why is he kind of look strange? Why is he twitching? Oh, hell no, I'm shutting that door up. I'm shutting this door up. He's weird. Who the hell is that? What's wrong with him? Okay, let's go get this. Let's look at the. Oh my god, he's built different, bro. Why does he look like that?
Do you love the way I do when I'm loving your body? And do you love the way I do when I'm loving your body? When I'm
Oh hell no. Okay guys, that's kind of strange. Who the hell is that guy with the beard? I guess I can open it. The door. The gate. Whatever. Coffee. Oh my god, he's actually a big bro. He's big as hell. I'm asking for coffee. Anyways, thanks friend. I needed that. Of course you need that. I will remember this. Okay, that's kind of strange. Okay, anyways, who's coming? Who's coming? I'm kind of bored, guys. Why is no one coming? Excuse me, no one's coming. Okay. Oh, this. Why is the light flickering when he came in? Oh hell no! I think I'm gonna shut this door. Oh hell no! I'll beat you. I am not helping this person. Oh hell no! Let me see again. Why do you have like polka dots in his face and his body? Let me just take a picture. Anyways, okay. He's not that bad. I think he's just depressed. Maybe. I don't know. I'll be in. Okay. Anyways. Okay. No one's coming, guys. I'm kind of sad. Oh, okay. Who is this girl? Who is this person? Hey. Okay, hi. Oh. Come go help the other person. I'm out of this. I'm leaving. Okay. Let me just help him real quick. Okay, this is taking forever. Hurry up, get to the point. Okay. Guys, located my clip kind of got deleted, but this voice came back for a second. Coffee, guys. Low-key, it's kind of big, but we don't judge. Because I'm big too. It's okay. I don't really want to keep the suitcase safe. I don't want that suitcase. Get this away from me. This is how you die. I do not want this damn suitcase with me. Okay. Anyways. That suitcase looked kind of sus, to be honest. Kind of scared. Okay, guys. I honestly been waiting here, to be honest. Okay, this person's here. Finally, someone came. Peanut limb. I don't know what it says. Okay, let me just get this and take a photo to make sure you're not a evil person. Okay, you're good. Let me just print this out. It kind of takes forever, but it's okay. Okay, let me get this. Okay, there you go. Say thank you. Okay, room number 4. Guys, I kind of died because my intrusive thoughts told me to look up. Anyways, bye.